Hello everybody. This tutorial I'm going to be showing you some HTML. Now I'm just going to be showing you, giving you some information on HTML because it's always good to learn about what you're going to be coding in, and then I'm going to be showing you how to write something to the screen. So let's start off with the basics. What does HTML stand for? It stands for a hypertext markup language, which means it uses a series of tags in order to do the code. Now, if you code in any other language, you use syntax, right? Like in C++, you use C out to display something to the screen, stuff like that. In this language, you use tags. Now, HTML is the basis of any web development program. Now, people might say it's outdated. Well, is it outdated? Not really. It's the base of anything. So, just like assembly language is the base of programming with compiling and stuff like that with processes and stuff. This is the base of web development programming. So you will have others like MySQL, PHP, those like server. They can use HTML, but they're server based. And you have like CSS and stuff, and XHTML, which is an advanced version of HTML, which I'll be teaching you in after these set of tutorials. But HTML is the basis, so you should get used to it. So now let me erase all this. So if you no, actually let me take that back. Oh, I can't do that, so let me do this. So I put HTML backslash HTML, and basically the backslash means you're ending it, right? You're closing it. So basically I'm declaring that I'm gonna be writing in HTML. Then I put backslash in order to end it, to say I'm done using HTML. And if you don't know what I'm writing in, it's in Notepad, just so you know. You can write HTML in Notepad or any like editing software or something like that. So that's basically initializing HTML. So next you would have the head, and I'll do to end the head, right? And the head has to do with the internet browsers and search engines like meta tags. Now you probably don't know what this is right now. Well, if you know a low level language such as like C++ or assembly or C or something, like this is the processing part of it, like the internal stuff. So you know how the computer runs? You don't really know how a computer runs unless you're like a computer engineer or something, right? But you don't know how your computer runs. You just know it runs and you use applications. The head is what does all the internal stuff that makes that the other things need in order to run. So in a basic HTML program, within the head you will just have your title, and I'll name this whatever I want. So my title, and for now I won't tell you what the title is. I'll tell you later. And that's what's usually just included, and you just end the head, and notice I ended the title. And let me erase all this, and so let me put this up. So then after this you'd have the body, and the body is where everything happens. So if you code in any like major programming language, you'll note that you'll have something called main, and main is where everything goes through. You can't have a program that doesn't have main in like a major programming language like Java, C++, or C# or any other programming language. So the body is like main. This is where everything happens, like text and stuff. So let's write something to the screen. So I'm gonna put, this is my first HTML program, and that's it. You don't have to put anything to say that you're writing to the screen. It will just write this automatically to the screen. That's the good thing about it. So then we're gonna save. So I'm saving as, and I'm gonna put index.html, and no, you have to save it as .html. Okay, and save. And once you've done that, I'll minimize that, and you notice my documents right here. So all I do is double click that, and it says, look, this is my first HTML program. And as you can see in the browser window, it shows a file location from where I'm doing it from. It doesn't actually show like a real website. If you want to get into like the putting it in the website, that will be in later tutorials, right? And I told you that I'll say what the title means. Now look up here. Now look right here. My title, I put my title, right? Now if you look at the tab, right, it says my title. So if I change this to coding made easy, save, then I refresh it. Look, it says coding made easy. So that's what the title does, right? So that's just the basics of HTML. I hope you look forward to my next video, and since it's the Christmas holidays, I'll be making a lot of videos, so look forward to that. Thanks for watching, and bye.